Many people often experience this annoying condition without having any definite symptoms. However, in some cases, the bunions may also become red, painful, or even swollen. That's the specific point you have to pay attention to this condition seriously. People with bunions experience a lot of difficulty and pain while wearing shoes or while walking. Even though surgery is the most prominent solution for this condition, you can still try some easy and simple home remedies to treat this condition. Number 1. Maintain healthy weight. It's essential to keep an eye on your body mass index seriously if you want to get rid of this condition. Obesity is not just associated with heart disease or diabetes. It can also trigger many other annoying medical conditions such as bunions. Even if you already have this condition, try to lose some extra pounds with a healthy diet and exercise to decrease the burden on your feet muscles. Number 2. Protect the affected area. Many patients with this problem often become very careless and they leave everything open. Doing this irresponsible activity can make the situation worse. You should protect the affected area with any gel-filled pad. You can buy these gel-filled pads at any simple drugstore for a few pennies. Number 3. Shoe inserts. Using the proper shoe inserts while walking or running will also help position the foot correctly. It will provide comprehensive support to the foot, and you will even notice that the bunions will start shrinking in size naturally. Number 4. Ice packs. Ice packs are also very effective against bunions as they provide a sensation of relaxation to the affected area. If you want to ease the symptoms such as pain or redness, you must use ice packs after a few hours regularly as it will provide comfort to the affected area. Number 5. Feet massage. Foot massage is another great and highly effective home remedy that will keep your feet tissue soft and flexible. You can use any oil while massaging your foot, but make sure that your skin is not sensitive to it. For test purposes, apply a small quantity of any massage gel or oil on any part of your skin and leave it for at least 5 to 10 minutes. If you do experience any redness, burning, or skin irritation, it means that it's safer for you to use. Number 6. Rest. Proper rest is also a very effective home remedy and medical advice for bunions. If you have this condition and your medicine is also going on, you must keep your foot in a resting position most of the time. Doing this will boost the natural healing process, and you will get long-term benefits with this condition. Wrap up. Bunions, or also known as foot bumps, are a quite annoying and painful condition that is often treated with surgery. However, not everyone can afford expensive surgeries, while the rest of the people don't want to go under anesthesia due to their phobias. Under these circumstances, the only rescue is to try out these proven home remedies for bunions that don't carry any risk of side effects. If you have any questions in your mind, don't hesitate to comment below.